SeaViews.com from pretty much anywhere you go. Don't miss out on any of what this summer has to offer. Find what you need to stay healthy all season long and beyond at CVS.com. A special thank you to Geico,
a proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
The stories you need. The Supreme Court is giving the go-ahead for the Louisiana congressional map to be redrawn.
The perspective you want.
The AMA's report criticized BMI cutoffs for being based on an imagined ideal Caucasian.
The Black Information Network is 24/7 news. Vice President Kamala Harris is making history with the second highest number of tie-breaking votes
for us.
The Bay Area's BIN 910 and on the iHeartRadio app. A special thank you to Sony,
a proud founding partner who shares and supports the mission of the Black Information Network.
On November 3rd, 1929, the All Negro Hour premiered on WSBC in Chicago. This was the first radio program to feature black performers exclusively. The program, hosted by former vaudeville performer Jack Cooper, featured music, comedy, and serial dramas. Beyond hosting notable musicians of the time, it also gave voice to comedy that didn't rely on stereotypes so prevalent on other shows of the era. The All Negro Hour went off the air in 1935, but Cooper continued to host and produce black-oriented programming for WSBC and other radio stations in Chicago. One such program was Search for Missing Persons, a series that reunited black migrants from the South with lost friends and relatives. This success, along with the general trend toward
Yeah, this is a freaking nightmare. Oh yeah, shut the fuck up, bitch. Fuck. Yeah, she's a fucking, she's very